Hey everyone, I am here with the Super Simples completed junk journal. So this has been months and months in the making, and the process of making every template to make every single one of these fun spreads that you're gonna see in here. There are 10 of them. And finally I put it in a journal today. So I'm going to show you. First of all, you should know it is a chunky, fun journal. But yeah, let's get started. So I did the cover. I actually did spiral bound, and today was the first time I've ever tried that. And so it's not perfect, but it's good enough for a fun little junk journal. And I'm debating if I want to tie some fun lace and some ribbons on here, but we'll see. But for now, I just wanted to give you the run through. So I made a small tutorial about how I kind of embellished the cover and how I did that. So I'll link that down below. All right, so here we go. Here's the cover. You open it up and inside there's just a teeny little pocket. I just did that on my cover video that I can just show you how I did that. It's pretty self-explanatory. But as we keep going through, what I put in this spiral bound journal was mostly just coffee dyed paper, just like this. I have a couple of other little envelopes and things, so I'll try to just kind of point that out, but mostly it's the coffee dyed paper. So here's one of the Super Simple kits right here. This one has just tons of little tags that you can pull out and cute little ephemera. Just some fun little extras, really a lot of place for journaling and things like that. And it has this fun little pull out kind of faux postcard, I guess, that you can journal on, and that just sticks right there in that side pocket. So there's one of them. Then you just have some coffee dyed paper. I like to put some of these envelopes in. I leave them like this until I decide what I'm going to do with them, because sometimes I like to just cut this part off just so it's just open like that, and you can have cute little cards in there. Just up to you to decide. This one is just a cute little tag. This is another one of the Super Simple kits. This is number 1 actually. And it's a fold over the page. So here's the other half of it. And it is just a fold out like this. So you have a pocket with some journaling and a card there, bunches of tags and goodies, some more journaling, this fun little flip with a nice tag and just some little ephemera, this fun little thing. Just lots of fun little goodies. I just did a little check card for fun. Another coffee paper. That one turned out so cool. I also like to just put some cards. I think it's just fun to have some that are halfway and don't take up the whole thing, just for interest. Here's another Super Simple. These are just fun little tags, little pockets there. And these are just little paper clips that stay on there. Fun little pocket. Another fun little tag. In this one, I turned this into a little notebook with bunches of little papers, so you can use that to embellish other places throughout the journal. And there's that one. Some old ledger paper, coffee dyed paper. Here's another kit. This is fun. This one opens up. Hopefully you can see that. Let me come down. And there's a pocket right there with some fun tags. And then this piece, these come on out with that little belly band. And this also opens up for some more journaling. And another cute tag. So really this whole thing was designed to give beginner junk journalers a place to really start where they can feel like they know what's going on and they can feel successful and get some really cute results. So that's kind of how these began, was just to really make something that was simpler to follow along with and had all the resources right there for you. And I think we did a really nice job of accomplishing that goal, because these have been a huge hit with so many of you. And thank you so much, because it's helped me out too, and it's kept my creative juices flowing and pushed me to keep designing stuff for you guys. So thank you. It's been it's been so much work, but so fun. Let me come down. There we go. Here's another one, just some little bits of ephemera. This fun little tag. I always like to add little surprises anywhere I get a chance, so just fun. Fun stuff. And that guy comes out. This is another little pull out right here. And oh, you could add something in that pocket too. I haven't yet. I probably shouldn't. Is this such a chunky journal, but really fun. So I wanted to leave some space, and you could add some little corner pockets or some photos or really some journaling space, because I mean, it really is meant to be journaled in. I know it just seems like fun, but I have really journaled in my junk journals, and I really love to do that. Just some fun little pockets. This one flips out, more cute little spots. This is a corner tuck with this beautiful collage and this cute little pocket there, and just a beautiful tag. Oh, and this one's a pocket too. Surprise, there's more, and some journaling on the back. I love it when you forget, and then it's like this cool little surprise to find it again. Love it, love it. All right, another little guest check. Some more papers. Okay, this one has this cute little pocket, and it flips out with some journaling, and then this cute little pocket with lots of yummy things inside. And that one flips out, more journaling, and then just some more journaling right here, and surprise. This opens up, and it's a little accordion paper with just lots and lots of journaling on that one. So that one goes in here. And I love how these ended up hanging out over the side. It's really just a cool effect. More papers. Cute little envelope. Oh, I did a bag. I'm excited to see what I can come up with this for this. Probably a nice big tag to go in there, because I don't want to add too much more bulk to it. But anyway, super fun. These would be fun to paint or ink on and just make something cute, a cute collage. We have this one. This is fold out pockets. So we have just several of these that just fold out in different directions. Big old tag, nice big pocket with some fun ephemera and some thread inside. So that one's a fun one. Let's see if we can get it in order. There you go. Another envelope, and then on the back cover I did one more of the Super Simple kits because it was getting so chunky. I didn't want to do more embellishment in the back, but this is a fun kit. Just has a little bit of everything, tons of journaling space, and it flips open with another little pocket here too. It's coming through. Oh, my stitching came out. Oh well, that's okay, I can glue it down. That's kind of a cool effect. Anyway, so that is the back. Here's the back of it. It's just another chipboard that I covered up. But anyway, there it is. The completed Super Simple journal. And it is a doozy for alligator mouth. But it is so fun. And I can't wait to give this to somebody or fill it up. I don't know what I'm going to do with it yet. But it just turned out super beautiful. I did get a printed copy of all of those kits, and I did them in paper. Let me grab it real quick. I have it right here. So I have this. It's available on Amazon, and it has all 10 of those kits that you just saw inside. And it even has some like coordinating just extra scraps of paper that you could use for like corner pockets to embellish the rest of that journal. But anyway, I'll link that below too for those of you that don't want to print them. And this has been a really handy thing for a lot of people. So anyway, there it is, the completed journal. I love that feeling of getting one just done and it turns out so good. So I hope you enjoyed it, and I will talk to you later. Bye.